The only reason that this is like this is because there is chemical residue there. So can you wash this out for me, please?
I normally use this to clean.
Yeah, this is amazing. Like, stuff, any multi-purpose cleaner is fine, but remove the product. Remove the product. So, this is just a really light type of fat, but I'm going to show you something, guys, in a second. I'm going to show you. All right, so firstly, I'm going to show you this. Wet. No product, guys. Wipe. This is still drying. No, it's not. It's fatty. So do you see the residue here? The residue here, but I'll show you. Can you just hold that right there for me? Okay. So I'm going to show you. If it needs, this is what I'm saying, boy. If it needs degreaser, it needs degreaser. Nothing you can do about it. Agitate, agitate, agitate. So imagine, Sarah, if I did this, yeah? Stand back a little bit. Imagine if I did this.
Yeah, nah.
Look, see? Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
You need to agitate, get all the fat off, all of it. Yeah? Then we're going to remove the product.
And this whole time I thought I knew how to clean.
Yeah. We only know how we're taught, right? It's
True.
I've been doing this for 10 years, 13 years.
Look at the difference.
Now, can you see the difference in the glass?
Wow. Yeah.
So if we look over here, you'll see fat build up. That obviously I put the degreaser there, and no fat. You see? It's that easy.
Oh my God, no, I just want to drain my house.